Hey loves, want to see how we did this medium size, smooth, flexible, very lightweight knotless braids? Yes. So if you want to see this, keep watching, okay? Number one, after parting your hair, the client's hair, make sure that it's smooth. You add some gel and then part it into 3 equal sizes. Similar or equal. Then you plait it once, twice, 3 times. Take this size of attachment, and add it to the right side. I'm right-handed. You do another plait. Make sure it's firm, but don't pull the client's hair like that. You add another piece. That's the second one. Keep your grip firm, all right? That's the third piece right there. Do another plait before I add the fourth piece. Make sure you tuck the client's hair into the attachment. That's my fourth piece. Then you keep braiding down. You want to braid it a little loose to maintain the flexibility, all right? Obviously, one strand will be thicker than the rest, so you make sure that you equalize the 3 strands and make sure they are of similar or equal sizes, like so, all right? Keep braiding down, and if you notice, I'm braiding loosely. I'm not braiding very tight. This is how I do my kind of loose knotless braid. This isn't super loose, it's just lightly loose, just make it very flexible and not heavy. You can see how smooth it is. The strands are equal. You don't see bulging anywhere. The strand is really smooth and seamless. Just a side note, I don't do loose braids for all hair textures. Some hair textures require you to tight braid in order to make sure the hair stays tucked in. I just keep braiding down, and since I'm doing boho braids in this video, I make sure that I measure where I want the curls to begin. Then I make a knot. Trim, I always trim my hair to keep it smooth. Voila, you can see the whole braid very smooth, and it really has this illusion of growing directly from the scalp. See how smooth it is. It's seamless, it's not heavy, it looks kind of natural. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye.